up here at the shop now, and it's hard to see, but this is the belt for that, and it's really loose. And so we're gonna try, or take the coil out of the way and see if we can loosen it and bring it back. There's room through here a little bit. See if we can tighten it up. We're gonna try that first and see if that'll work, make it start charging. If not, then I guess it may be a generator issue or voltage regulator or something. But we're gonna try this first. So we ain't trying to take the hood off. We're gonna try to get to it from here. Try anyway. Trying to get right up in here is another bolt. Probably gonna have to take the coil out of the way. Yep. I apologize about the light, but yeah. Get back here, those bolts right back here. It's hard to see behind that bracket. You gotta take my word for it. Would be easier with the thing off of it. I don't want to go through all that. It's fairly loose. Looks like it would just rotate back some. But I may be wrong. I've been wrong before. Loose enough now. I guess the belt could stretch. That was loose and dry rotted all the pieces. No pull idler or nothing. Let's see if there's a bolt up here somewhere. Yeah, it's attached to the top too. Yeah, up inside up here. You see, right up here is attached to the top of the motor, feeling like a bracket. And I about bet you that's where you adjust it. Making stuff dealer only since 1940 something. Well, y'all, this is going to be a little more in depth than I thought. Dad said there's one on top. He said that's a pain in the rear. The bracket on top. That's the reason he's never done it. Oh yeah, I feel it there. But it's out as far as it'll go. Because it's, you know, goes inward for more, so it needs a new belt. I'm gonna go through all that for a belt. I'll make it just charge it. I think it's gone as far as it'll go.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Talking about that little slide.
Yeah.
It's back as far as it'll go, so you need a new belt. I think I'll charge it before I go through all that. You have to take the fan off and all that. And yeah, we'll just charge it. You have to take off the fan, and then this belt, which is pretty dry rotted too, I guess. Whenever it happens, whenever this belt breaks for the engine, then we'll go through it and do it then. But this one's stretched, but until this one breaks, it's not worthwhile to, especially right here at planting season, which is next week. So we're just gonna leave it alone for now and wait till this one breaks, and then we'll take care of both of them. Maybe that won't happen during planting season. Well, look, it will. We got a little guide on the front. It's basically PVC and ratchet straps to tell us where our row spacing is, which is about 30 inches is mine. Dad's is a little different. So we'll be planting corn. I'm planning on it next week. I don't know what he's gonna do, but if we don't get too much rain out of this storm tomorrow, then probably Monday, Tuesday, we're gonna start planting. Thanks for watching. Alright, since we ain't gonna do the belt tightening today, it's a little more involved than what we was thinking, so we're gonna grease it up. So a cub, there's one there, there's one there. That's all right there. One on the fan, get from the other side. And there's one right here. This has got cultivator set up, but it's for the planting part. Just keep going around here. Let's see, those are oil points. Oil point there. I think there is one up in here, right behind this thing here. Yeah, one right there on that pivot on. There's one on the other side. That's an oil point there at the knuckle. Oil point down here. There, one back here. Check the oil in the front right there. I think there's one underneath at the pivot. Right on the bottom. And there's one down here underneath the front.
There should be one where that gets pivot. Right in the middle.
Got this one here.